If you are facing issue with Helldivers 2 game on playing on your PlayStation, or you're facing the crashing effect of the game, or the game is crashing while you're playing it on your PlayStation, how can you simply solve this issue and solve this so that we can enjoy the game seamlessly and with minimal destruction or interruption? Firstly, what you need to know that this type of error only occurs if you have a bad network connection or a device that is not performing well, the problems related to the chip, the storage issues, and many more. So we will check one by one that what is the problem, what is the main cause regarding this problem here in our PlayStation. Firstly, what you have to check that you have connected with a better Wi-Fi network connection and that is fast and secure to use for your PlayStation. After that, please make sure that you have updated the version of the game and your device in which you're playing this. You're playing it on PC, you're playing it on PlayStation. So how can simply do this thing? Please restart your PC or your PlayStation and then just enjoy the game without any interruption. This thing will surely work for you. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe the channel for watching more technical videos, informative videos and reviews like this.